The adoption of eSIM or embedded SIM technology continues to grow rapidly, driven by significant advancements and increasing support from mobile operators, device manufacturers, and various industries. With eSIM-enabled smartphones, tablets, and IoT devices becoming more common, telecom providers are accelerating their digital-first strategies, making eSIM technology more accessible and beneficial than ever. Recent reports highlight a significant surge in the global adoption of eSIM technology. Across the globe, telecom providers are actively supporting its seamless integration, driving widespread usage in diverse regions. By 2025, global eSIM smartphone connections have reached new highs, reflecting the expanding availability of eSIM-capable devices and broader support from mobile operators worldwide. One of the major advancements is multiple enabled profiles, or MEP, allowing users to have multiple active eSIM profiles on a single device. This enables professionals, travelers, and businesses to manage different numbers and networks without needing multiple physical devices. Additionally, multi-SMDP Plus capability allows seamless switching between eSIM service providers, enhancing international roaming, and giving consumers greater control over their mobile connectivity. This is particularly beneficial for travelers looking to avoid high roaming charges and businesses managing global operations. If you're new to my channel, please check out my videos and consider subscribing for more content like this. Thank you for your likes, shares, and subscriptions. eSIM technology provides numerous advantages over traditional SIM cards. First, eSIM eliminates the need for multiple SIM cards and reduces roaming costs. Its advanced encryption and authentication protocols protect against SIM swap fraud and identity theft. Additionally, it reduces plastic and electronic waste by eliminating physical SIM cards and packaging. And finally, it is ideal for large-scale IoT deployments, enabling seamless connectivity across multiple devices without manual SIM replacements. eSIM technology is expanding beyond smartphones. Integrated eSIMs enable real-time navigation, remote diagnostics, and in-car connectivity. Smartwatches, fitness trackers, and other devices now offer independent cellular connectivity. Remote patient monitoring devices leverage eSIMs for seamless medical data transmission. eSIM-enabled IoT trackers enhance real-time shipment monitoring, reducing theft and delays. Businesses use eSIMs for remote monitoring and supply chain efficiency using IoT devices. Drones leverage eSIMs for reliable connectivity during beyond visual line of sight, or BVLOS operations, enabling applications like mapping, logistics, and environmental monitoring. Emerging technologies are further enhancing eSIM capabilities. In the future, we can have blockchain-based security, which provides a decentralized, tamper-proof method for managing eSIM profiles. By using AI-driven connectivity, we can optimize network selection and switching for better performance and cost savings. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch up with you in another exciting video soon. Until then, goodbye and take care.